Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create WeChat account in Pakistan. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to download the WeChat app. And what I'm going to do here, after you download the WeChat, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the WeChat app, right? And if you're like me, already signed or logged in with your account, just go ahead and continue to log in or click the more options right here and just click sign up. All right, and it's gonna open up a new window for you. So you're gonna sign up with your name and you're gonna select your region, and I'm gonna just go ahead and start looking for the P. All right, and I'm gonna start looking for right here. Let me search for the P right here, right here, right here. Yes, in Pakistan. Right, so what I'm gonna do, enter your phone name, enter your phone number, enter your new password, and confirm that you read the terms of service, and follow the instructions by confirming your email and all that. And basically you can open up the the new account. By now, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.